Would you like the end of your lines to last longer and look nicer? It's easier than you think, and I'll show you how to. Do you keep the lines like this, that you got them from the shop, just cut by a heated knife? This probably won't last very long. Or do you do this? Do you put tapes on the end and hope that will last? Again, this is not anything that will last for very long. It's a very temporary solution to your end of your lines. Maybe you do this. You do some melted end and then you put some shrink wrap tubing on top. This is a way better solution. The resistance of the tubing on sunlight might vary, but it's a nice soft ending to the rope. A more traditional ending would be a whipping like this. In this case it's a whipping and it's quite a soft end. You can also, of course, combine this with melting as well. But this is a nice ending to rope that will last for a long time. Or you can do zone ripping like this. Looks quite nice. A bit more work to do. The other whippings are very easy to do. This is a bit more complex, but not very. It takes a bit longer though. Or maybe you use the walker's knot to terminate your ends. One knot, very strong. You need no tools whatsoever to do this. It's just a knot you need to learn. It's not that difficult. And you have a very strong ending to your lines. And you can of course combine that with melting as well. Or maybe you like doing an end splice like this. This is a tapered one. You can see it narrows off. Could be a nice ending to your lines. Depends what you prefer. I do it sometimes, but not on all my routes. Let's go through more in detail how you will end your lines.